In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A04s, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads on this Samsung. First of all, you need to locate an app called My Files. It should be in Samsung folder. When you find it, click on it. Now tap on Allow in the pop-up and tap on Downloads under Videos. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. If you wish to access one, just tap on it, pick one of those available sources, and click on Just Once or Always. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!